跟我视频就行。
各位的莅临以及支持，其中 The opening ceremony of Rigaku Technology Taiwan Corporation and Rigaku Technology Center officially began. 理学股份有限公司暨理学台湾技术中心开幕典礼现在正式开始。再次欢迎各位今天莅临来到我们开幕的活动现场，同时现场也来了非常多重量级的长官以及贵宾们。马上要为大家来介绍，也请待会介绍到的长官以及贵宾都可以站起身，向现场所有的好朋友们挥挥手打声招呼。And today, of course, we have so many distinguished guests to join us, and please allow me to introduce them for you. When I call upon your name, please kindly stand up and wave your hands to everyone. 首先为各位欢迎到的是 Let's welcome President and CEO of Rigaku Holding and Rigaku Corporation, Jun Kawakami. Welcome, wave your hands to everyone. 欢迎 Welcome and please be seated. 接下来为各位欢迎到的是 Senior Executive Vice President of Rigaku Holding and Rigaku Corporation, Dr. Kiyoshi Ogata.Welcome, welcome Dr. Ogata, and please be seated. 接下来继续为各位欢迎到的是 Executive Officer and Deputy General Manager of Rigaku Corporation, Akihiro Ikeshida. Welcome, wave your hands to everyone. Welcome and please be seated. 接下来继续为各位有请到的是 Executive Officer of Rigaku Corporation, Dr. Marcus Kuhn. Welcome, wave your hands to everyone. Welcome and please be seated.继续为各位欢迎到的是 Asia Pacific Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Rigaku, Adam Zhong. Welcome, Adam. 挥挥手 ，Welcome. 也要非常感谢今天各位供应商伙伴、教授以及客户们共襄盛举，来到今天这个重要的时刻。We also extend our sincere welcome to all our valued partners, professors, and clients for being here and witness the significant milestone together. And first of all, please welcome Sam, President Greater China of Rigaku Corporation, to give us an introductory speech. Let's welcome Sam. 欢迎 Sam.
First of all, I'll do a little bit in English. 我的中文没有那么好，关系我用一些英文部分，不好意思。First of all, ladies and gentlemen and distinguished guests, thank you very much for coming on such a day. This is a wonderful event for us, and we wanted to celebrate it with our valued customers and partners and our distinguished guests. So when we opened up the Rigaku Taiwan office and our new technology, our vision is that we wanted to make it a Central Asia hub. So with that, we're looking forward to growing the branch, subsidiary, and the install bases with the customers and all the partners that we have together working. So today being a little bit rainy, I guess there's a phrase in Chinese, the water represents health, wealth, and prosperity. So I hope this will bring everybody good health and prosperity to all. Thank you for coming. Okay?
Thank you, Sam, and please be seated. 当然，在日本总公司以及各位贵宾的支持以及帮助之下，今年也正式在台湾成立了分公司以及技术中心。With the support and encouragement from our Japan headquarters and all of our distinguished guests, Rigaku has officially established its branch and technology center in Taiwan this year. So now let's enjoy a VCR presentation that will take us through Rigaku's remarkable journey and story over the years. 接下来呢，我们就邀请大家一起来欣赏一段 VCR， 带大家共同来欣赏 Rigaku 一路走来的故事。我们请看。
The power to see using X-rays. This power is indispensable for visualizing the inner workings of everything that underpins our everyday lives. Founded in 1951 by Yoshihiro Shimura, a crystallographer at the University of Tokyo, Rigaku was Japan's first manufacturer of X-ray diffraction equipment. Starting from a small factory in Japan, Rigaku has grown into a global company operating in 9 countries, with over 70% of its sales generated overseas. Rigaku's competitive edge lies in its exceptional core technologies and comprehensive solutions. Rigaku's high-performance product lineup includes X-ray analytical instruments, portable laser spectrometers, and thermal analyzers. The X-ray sources, optical components, and detectors that support these core technologies are all manufactured at our bases in Japan, the US, and Europe. Our Tokyo headquarters features fully staffed labs, as well as dedicated facilities for machining and assembly. At our 23,000 square meter Yamanashi factory, which offers a magnificent view of Mount Fuji, Rigaku produces its flagship products and their essential components. Our products, including 1- and 2-dimensional X-ray detectors, rotating anode and sealed X-ray tubes, high-precision goniometers, electronic circuit boards, film capacitors, and high-voltage power supply units, are all produced in-house under strict quality control. Near the Yamanashi factory, Rigaku's semiconductor manufacturing site brings together the company's core technologies to develop and produce high-performance, high-quality products used across a wide range of semiconductor manufacturing processes. Today, measurement technologies for process optimization and quality control in semiconductor manufacturing are increasingly important. Rigaku's measurement technologies drive innovation in R&D, advance manufacturing processes, and ultimately help evolve semiconductors and electronic components. Even after passing rigorous quality inspections, our products are checked on-site by application scientists to ensure they reach customers with uncompromising quality. Rigaku is committed to quality and continues to strengthen collaboration with its group companies. Rigaku Innovative Technologies in Detroit specializes in advanced optical components and precision multilayer film manufacturing technologies used in X-ray analysis equipment. These technologies are applied in laboratory equipment, synchrotron radiation facilities, neutron research facilities, and EUVL systems for semiconductor chip production. The results generated through these synergies are immeasurable. Rigaku Polska, located in Wrocław, Poland, is home to our cutting-edge development team for single crystal X-ray structure analysis systems. The Crystallab Synergy series, born from our collaboration with Rigaku Polska, has become a flagship product, representing Rigaku's outstanding analytical capabilities in single crystal structure analysis. On October 25, 2024, Rigaku was newly listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange Prime Market. In 2024, Rigaku established a branch in Taiwan, a hub of technological innovation in semiconductor electronics, life sciences, and materials science. Rigaku is launching the Rigaku Technology Center Taiwan to accelerate development processes and deliver products more quickly. Scientific and technological progress is accelerating, bringing transformative innovations that are reshaping our everyday lives. As a specialist in X-ray technology, Rigaku tackles scientific challenges and supports these innovations on a global scale. With new perspectives to improve our world, Rigaku aims to create a unique growth model, unlike any other, working with customers worldwide, and will continue this journey in the years to come.
Wow, would you give a round of applause to our history and our milestone？ 热烈的掌声给予我们非常丰盛的这个过去历史，以及我们任何不同的里程碑哦。那接下来呢，继续各位有请到我们的长官来到台上，跟大家说几句话。And next, please welcome J.K. Song, the President and CEO of Rigaku Holding and Rigaku Corporation, to give us some words on the stage. 热烈的掌声 ，Welcome！
大家好。Great. Good morning, everybody. To all the distinguished guests, customers, partners. I'm so proud and excited to have you all here at this great opening ceremony of Rigaku Technology Center in Taiwan. This is so great. I mean, it's rainy, but it's a sign of prosperity, right? So, best day. First, let me thank you everything you have done to us. I mean, we've been doing business in Taiwan as well as a global market for many years. And without your support, guidance, friendship, we couldn't have been here. So essential that we have friends like you guys to support us. Thanks a lot. Secondly, let me make a clear commitment to you guys. We will make every effort to serve you better, to provide a best quality technology and support that we can do. Customer success is the one single most important KPI for us. And we do everything to improve that. And this technology center is going to be the great asset for us to do that with you guys. Thank you. So, taking this opportunity, I will briefly explain what Rigaku is. I mean, you have seen this great video, so I probably don't add too much. But let's do. Next page, please. Okay, so we are striving to be a one-of-a-kind global technology company. That means very unique and best technologies, leading edge. As the video says, we started this about 75 years ago as a kind of hobby of crystallographer. And we have been working with academia for many years. And this picture is actually last month we took with our friend Dr. Kitagawa, who was recently awarded Nobel Prize with his innovation in the MORPH, metal organic framework. Okay, it's a very, very innovative technology to make a revolution in the material science. And our intent is to drive those innovations into fab manufacturing, real industries. So we are really connecting these novel technologies to a reality in the fab. That's what we want to do. That actually makes us a one-of-a-kind global technology company. So our motto is to improve our world by powering new perspectives. Okay, well, you know that. I mean, X-ray can do many things. Sub-nanoscale resolution, 3D capability, element identification. And with this innovation moving on in many industries, like semiconductor industry, you guys know more than I do. This high aspect ratio, small deep hole, X-ray is the best technology to analyze it, right? In this life science arena, everybody talks about this Y-shape antigen, but no one has actually seen it. And X-ray is providing the technology to actually see it. So those are the kind of a very recent cutting-edge technology innovation done by X-ray. As video says, our differentiation comes from these core components. Generators, we have the capability to create brightest X-ray in the world. Optical elements, this is most advanced multi-layer coating technology to really manipulate this X-ray to a small spot, very powerful small spot, right? Also, these detectors, we have advanced two-dimensional detectors. We actually manufacture our own semiconductors to assemble these detectors. And analytical software is very important. We are making big progress in the analytical software as well as AI capabilities. So these core technologies is a really differentiator for us. And we went to the IPO last year, and actually we have been doubling our size of the company in the last couple of years. So this growth trajectory will continue, and there will be 120 billion yen in size in 2027 with all these business segments. Semiconductor process control business with the highest growth, and the multi-purpose analytical instruments for the R&D, steady growth, and component service, steady growth. This is a snapshot of Rigaku today. 73% overseas sales, pretty global. Market position-wise, we are pretty much number one, very close to number one in a global diffraction market. And the semiconductor X-ray metrology market share, we are clear number one with 40% market share. And we work with all the distinguished great companies in all industries. Our business today is 46% multipurpose, 26% semiconductor process control, and 29% component services. Quite diversified portfolio, but it all comes from X-ray technologies, X-ray core component technologies. And we serve many very wide variety of industries with semiconductor with the biggest segment. Okay, so that's a kind of snapshot who we are. And this technology center in Taiwan is going to promote customer collaboration with customers in real fabrication environments. We have a clean room here, so we can really work with you guys, customers, equipment manufacturer, partners, to come up with the latest, greatest technology here in Taiwan. And joint development of next-gen X-ray analytical solutions, both academia and semiconductor. I mean, in both sides, academia, life science, material science, and semiconductor side, X-ray is going to provide new innovations. And that's going to start from here. And this facility and capability is well linked with the global Rigaku R&D network that has a kind of a global network. So all over the world, great engineers, scientists are working on new technology every day. And this facility, this technology center, is going to have access to their efforts too. Okay, so this is why I'm so excited. Okay, so that's that, and I will hand it to you to Ogata-san to talk about our semiconductor business. Thank you.
Thank you, JK-san, and please be seated. And next, please welcome Ogata-san, Senior Executive Vice President of Rigaku Holding, to give us some words. Welcome.
Thank you again. It's my great honor to have this brief introduction of Rigaku Technology in front of these distinguished and partners and friends and customers. This shows outlook of the WFE market. It's Rigaku Technologies is in the Rigaku Metrology tools classified in this WFE. But you can see that, as you know, that the growth is higher. It's like about okay, yeah. Yeah. Previous. Yeah. So, sorry, the reason of this growth of the total market, not only Rigaku, is driven by this complexity of the devices. As you know, that from 14 nanometer, the metrology is part portion of the all WFE is increasing because at that time the FinFET. And this year it's GA, so it's device will be becoming more complex, and metrology role is more challenging, and also it's our opportunity is growing but also challenging. So as you know that there is a roadmap of device roadmap of logic, memory, and also advanced packaging. All is a strong requirement from AI semiconductor. The structure of these all these devices are becoming more complex, three-dimensional, and scaling. And for this, it's next generation's complex structure of device. This is existing our tools. It's for GA, FET, and the CFET. We are today proposing the solution by XRF, XRR, and also GISAX, and also EUV mask application. We are providing these solutions, and also high aspect ratio memory tools that we are providing these technologies, and also new materials, and also 3D packaging. 3D packaging, this is today we are developing next generations inspection tool by X-ray. But this is simple brief roadmap of this next generations, our tool, or logic, memory, and advanced packaging. Just we are developing this kind of many tools in parallel. This is our challenge because it's a lot of opportunities, but very difficult. It's challenges to develop this. Almost it's high resolution XRD or XRF tools. It's almost finished, and next year will be launched to mass production. But also it's logic, for logic, next generations GISAX, and also memory, TSAX, and also advanced packaging. We are now making a very hard effort to develop these tools in an adequate timeline. And also this is hybrid metrology. It's X-ray, it's good sensitivity, but not something disadvantage is throughput. So we are having collaboration with optical partner to develop hybrid metrology to propose optimum solutions, throughput and sensitivity to these very difficult, complex structured devices. So these advanced semiconductor require increasingly complex metrology. This is our challenge. So we develop core technologies, and based on the core technologies, and we provide AI-driven analysis and also novel physics models. We are pursuing hybrid and smart metrology solutions. So, but these are our big opportunity, but also challenges. So we are collaborating with research institutes and the WFE partners and semiconductor manufacturers in Taiwan. This RTC, newly opened RTC Taiwan is aiming to strengthen the future engagement and the collaboration in Taiwan with your distinguished partners and friends. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Ogata, and please visit it. And next, let's invite Lam Research Managing Director Matt Davis to deliver his speech. Let's welcome Matt. Welcome.
I don't know if I'll call it a speech, but a few comments anyway. So when I came to Lam Research over 15 years ago, I had a problem to solve very quickly because our existing TXRF tool was, like, as they say, permanently down. The local support from Rigaku recommended a tool that was used nearby in the Bay Area, but also worked hard to bring the tool into our labs and provide the support to bring it up. So this tool operated for another 13 years, I think, and it was already 7 years old. So that's the first comment I want to make is Rigaku seems to make bulletproof tools. They run and they run. And we really appreciate not only that, but the support we've been getting for that tool and many tools since. And more recently, we've had some very close collaborations and work with Rigaku. And there's been some down tool events that I won't go into the details of, but the Technology Center that's in Sunnyvale, California, has provided great support for us to help us through a very difficult time. So I wanted to make those comments, and finally, that this new Technology Center that's going in Taiwan, the timeline of it is really auspicious because our company is also putting in another Technology Center in the area, and we look forward to many more years of collaboration and support, and of course, solid tools. So thank you.
Thank you, Matt. Please visit it. 那接下来呢，要进入到的就是我们今天的揭牌仪式。And next, we will proceed to today's unveiling ceremony. 在这边，我们要再次有请到长官来到台上加入我们。Let's once again invite JK-san to the stage. Welcome, and Dr. Ogata, and Marcus and Sam to the stage. Welcome to join the ceremony. Welcome. And please stand behind the podium. 我们请站在启动仪式台的后方。Alright, and of course, before the ceremony, we'd like to invite you to have the group photos. Yeah, as we can see the live stream on TV from the lobby. Yep. And after we count down 3 seconds, once our executives on the stage press the button together, the curtain in the lobby will fall. So now would you please have a group photo? Would you please show me your hands in the air? In the air, and look at the camera at the middle side. 我们看向中间的镜头。1, 2, 3. One more. Your big smile. 1, 2, 3. And would you please show me thumbs up? Thumbs up. 大大的赞 to the camera. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and after 3 seconds, please press the button together. So are you ready? Come on, louder please. Are you ready? Yes, alright. And now let's count. 3, 2, 1. Press the button together. Yeah, Rigaku Taiwan is officially unveiled. 理学股份有限公司正式揭牌。Thank you so much, and we now invite you to have the group photo. Would you please turn around, and everyone, would you please stand up for the group photo? 我们现在邀请现场所有的长官，可不可以帮我们起身？我们一起来张大合照。摄影师会由我们的舞台背板由上往前方来为各位拍摄。Would you please stand up? 我们请大家都可以起身哦。Thank you so much. 好，我们请摄影师帮我们移步到中间位置。And please hold on. 1, 2, 3. Your big smile to the camera. 大大的微笑。1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. One more. Thumbs up again. 大大的赞，再来一个好吗？ Thumbs up to the camera. And closer, please. Thank you so much. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, perfect. OK 吗 ？Thank you so much. Give a round of applause to yourself. Thank you. We now invite you, please proceed to the lobby on the first floor by elevator where the lion dance will take place, followed by the blessing ceremony. Thank you. 接下来我们邀请现场的贵宾可以帮我们移步来到1楼位置哦。接下来在1楼呢，还有舞狮战鼓的庆贺表演以及团拜仪式。那如果现场呢有要事需要先行离席的贵宾，请记得先到接待处来领取我们今天特别准备的伴手礼跟停车券。非常感谢大家今天的参与 ，Thank you so much for joining us today。来，大家可以尽量往中间哦，我们可以尽量往中间。好，接下来呢，在我们的正前方为各位看到的是象征祥瑞的舞狮。Now let's give a round of applause to welcome 圣义龙狮团，掌声欢迎圣义龙狮团。象征呢，我们要共同来接收这个最棒的好运，好运旺旺来，成功不间断。Your big smile to the camera with the lions. 1, 2, 3, one more. 再一张，好，我们邀请大家热烈的掌声 ，Give a round of applause. Yeah. 开幕，业绩长虹。May the company join prosperous growth and great success ahead. 接下来呢，要进入到的就是我们的团拜仪式 ，and now we will proceed to the opening blessing ceremony. Please accept the incense. 请帮我们接过香，也有请现场所有的嘉宾可以加入我们今天团拜的仪式 ，and please come closer to the center. Thank you so much. Alright, and now let's start the opening blessing ceremony. 接下来就要开始我们今天的团拜仪式。有请我们现场所有的嘉宾可以帮我们手持香，我们共同来祈福。现场今天所有参与的伙伴们， 还有我们的贵宾们。好，我们请工作人员协助帮我们递上香，也请大家稍后 and please hold on。好，我们左手边的好朋友也请帮我们稍后，有请工作人员。好 and now let's start the opening blessing ceremony on October 20th, 2025. Rigaku's executives and honorable guests join together in this opening ritual, praying for the company's continued prosperity, abundant success, and good fortune in all endeavors. 民国114年10月20日，由理学的长官、贵宾们进行开幕祭拜，共同祈求未来公司生意兴隆、财源广进、万事如意。The blessing ceremony officially ends. Thank you so much. 谢谢，我们今天的开幕祭拜圆满成功。Thank you so much. Thank you. And please hold on. And now we want to have a group photo with your banner. 接下来呢，我们要有请大家跟着我们一起来一张合照。我们前方呢也会带着我们这次由理学为各位带来我们的布条，一起加入合影哦。Together. 好，哦，我们请帮向拿一下东西。好 ，All right， 我们请摄影师帮我们来到前方，我们来一张合照。Please hold on。好，我们需要现场工作人员来协助一下哦。一样的，我们看向正前方的镜头。Look at the camera and the middle side. OK。好，我们稍微拿紧一点。OK， 我们请大家帮我们尽量集中中间。Please come closer. Thank you。我们请大家近一点，近一点啊。好，左手边的现场嘉宾帮我们再近一点点。OK, join us, the group photo. 拉伸。Okay. Please hold tightly. Thank you. Okay, to the camera. 1, 2, 3. Your big smile. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. 非常好，需要来一个大大的赞吗 ？Okay, last one. Okay, thumbs up. Thumbs up. If you can, do the thumbs up. Yeah, perfect. To the camera. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. 非常好。OK 吗？画面 OK。Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you. And now we want to invite you to return to the third floor event venue where a delicious buffet and thoughtful souvenirs have been specially prepared for you. You are welcome to join the office tour to get more information of our new facilities. 接下来我们邀请大家可以在这里到。
I could be the world to you, the missing piece, the extra sentimental kind of chemistry. Where I do my hair, the way I make you laugh, the way we like to share a walk. It's so easy. So easy.
I do my hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? I know that it's hard, but you have to try. If I do my hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Feeling good as hell. Baby, how you feeling? Ooh, girl, need to kick off your shoes. Gotta take a deep breath, time to focus on you.
All right, and now it's the interview time. So the first question, what's Rigaku's main strategic consideration to establish branch and technology center in Taiwan now?
Okay, well, Taiwan has been a great market for us. And we have lots of customers, friends, partners in Taiwan. And I think all the technology advancement require more and more accelerated technology. So that's what we want to develop here with the collaboration with the customers. So this technology center is going to be very important asset for us. Okay?
Yes, so this is our first phase of the plan, and this is actually second part where we established our first branch, build up the technical team, and now we have the facility and everything to move on to the next stage. So very excited to have this facility opening today.
Okay, So the next question, what's the role of Taiwan will play in the global research and manufacturing network of Rigaku?
Well, I mean, obviously, Taiwan is always the center of the gravity of semiconductor industries, which is very important to us. So, and also Rigaku's recent growth has been largely driven by our growth in semiconductor business. So this Taiwan facility, very, very close to our Taiwan customers, semiconductor customers here, will drive our growth further. Plus, Taiwan is very strong at the battery technology, other electronic device technologies. I think those arena, we will get into those markets and we will grow. Yes.
So just to add on to JK's, so the Taiwan's will function as a supporting the local market, the region. So the idea is to be closer to the customer, so a faster turnaround and higher customer satisfaction. And working with our headquarters in Japan, so we have a almost real-time working time zone. So we'll be able to react and support faster.
Okay. And the next question, how do you think the innovative trend of X-ray technology and material analytics in the few years?
Yes. Well, I mean, as this semiconductor device is scaling, also the stacking, and also they tend to use the multi-materials. Those are all tailwinds for X-ray technologies. I mean, conventional technology can't address the very, very finite structure, very small structure, etc. So then X-ray comes in. So really that customers needs X-ray to make a technology advancement from 2 nano to 10 angstrom or even further. So that's very, very important. Also the material science side, as we have witnessed that Rigaku's support to the material sciences actually led to the Nobel Prize winner in Japan this year. So it's a very, very important arena for us. And we will continue to try to provide innovative technology in the material science too.
So as be it the semiconductor or the life science and material, the advancements of those technology increases, the need for newer technology is also coming in play. And especially the X-ray is one of the key components that's very well positioned for Rigaku to capture this trend where we could insert our capability and knowledge to develop further in this advancement. So we're very well positioned for this growth here.
All right, and next, would you please share more information about what technical points of Rigaku in AI, semiconductor, and new material research?
Well, I mean, Rigaku is the company providing analytical solutions. So AI is always very close to us. So when we develop these analytical solutions, really AI is supporting the researchers to do the analysis. So that's one. Another area we are aggressively working on is to adapt AI technology in advanced packaging inspection that we have been working on for the new products. That's going to be a very innovative product using lots of imaging data analyzed by AI, and then you can analyze hundreds of thousands of pumps, TSBs, so that you can really inspect that very complex structure. So AI is going to be the engine for us to really grow.
Sam?
Yeah. So the AI evolution is affecting every segment of it, and for manufacturing as well as development. So for us, AI is a very key component. We've been using AI for many years already to develop and also enhancing the outputs and then so forth. For example, one of the areas that we're working right now is for the advanced packaging, where we're using our know-how on the hardware and implementing our software team that has an algorithm of the AI for this packaging inspection. So we have a combination of both the hardware as well as the software to attack these areas.
Okay, thank you. And JK-san, would you please put the microphone close to your
Sure.
mouth? Okay. So the next question, and how will Rigaku co-develop with the academia and industrial partners in Taiwan?
Yeah, I mean, we've been working with the Taiwan academia as well as industrial customers many years. And most recently, we have been working with the Taiwan Science Academy, University, Kagidai, okay. We put the CT machine there, and they are really working on the battery technologies, also the failure mode analysis of the new technology. So that's one example. So we'll be expanding those collaborations with the Taiwan academia and industries more and more. Battery, life science, materials, yes, all front.
Sam?
So as you've seen earlier on our presentation by JK and Dr. Ogata, the company we're focusing on is on going after the manufacturing. But all of that starts from a lab, some research center, where we're implanting ourselves, working with them, developing technology. And then once that is done, we go from lab to the fab concept here.
All right, and the last question. In the near future, in 5 years, what do you want Rigaku Taiwan to be?
Oh, Rigaku Taiwan to be in the kind of a hub in Asia to collaborate with the customers. Also the well-connected piece to a global research network. And in 5 years, I think business is going to be growing, will continue to grow to the scale that probably some will have a big number of people under his team. So it's a lots of growth to come. And also this growth will even bring Taiwan businesses closer or connected with the rest of the world.
Yeah, so again, JK kind of pretty much sums up everything for us. And we'll have a lot of work to do ahead of us for the next 5 years and beyond. So with that, we're looking forward to it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you want to have a group photo? One. Okay.
Something so out of the ordinary. How are you laying me down to a dead and buried on the edge of your night, staying drunk on your vibe. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found